Another software option that is available in the FA-9600 is up-down cross conversion. Up-down cross conversion is here. For instance, I have a 4K image on my left-hand screen and a 720p image on my right-hand screen. And change that to a 1080i image. We've got 1080i now on my screen there. And so here you see the available formats and the available frame rates for the output signal. You can also do level A to level B dual link conversion, and we can work in either square or 2SI. In our motion sense, we can adapt the interlace signal to progressive using adaptive field, frame odd, frame even. And we can adapt our progressive to interlace with anti-aliasing. And finally, we can adapt the UHD up conversion, so 4K, so HD in, 4K out, into UHD. Also in the 9600, we have video delay. Video delay allows us a maximum of 8 frames of delay and adjustments based on frames or clock settings. In the resize portion of the converter, I can select my input based on its aspect ratio. So if I have a 16:9 coming in, okay, and this is for SD output to HD output, so you won't see it on these screens. And then in addition, I have a free running sizing control, so I can control the H and V size of my output, and also my horizontal and vertical position. And left and right cropping, crop left, right, top, bottom. So this would allow you to overscan or underscan your image. And then finally, the noise reduction function that allows me noise reduction on red, green, and blue filter levels. In the frame synchronizer, we have the ability to adjust our modes from frame to line to AVDL to line minimum. So normally we would use a frame-based mode, but if we want to eliminate extra latency through the system, we could change that to a single line of video delay, or a wider window, or an absolute minimum delay. When we're running in the delay modes, I can adjust my horizontal and my vertical timing by both clock and line. And for purposes of testing, I could freeze my input and display out frame, odd, or even display. The FA-9600 Ancillary function allows you to multiplex horizontal auxiliary data either in an overwrite pass, or blank mode, and also to pass or overwrite the payload ID. In the vertical ancillary, we can either pass or blank vertical ancillary data. In this same section, our timecode display. The input timecode displays the status of the timecode coming into the system, in this case ATC LTC. And I can multiplex that timecode onto my video output in either of the three. A timecode generator can also be used to label the timecode in the system. In ATC LTC, ATC VTC, DVITC, or LTC-in, or as a generator. Also allows you to control drop frame on the timecode and to set preset timecodes. And there are two generators, one available for each process or each converter.